In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a formula column to change currency in Monday.com. First, log into your Monday.com account and open the board containing your financial data. Make sure you have a currency or numbers column that contains the amounts you want to convert. Next, click the Add Column button on the right side of your board. Search for and select Formula column. Once the formula editor opens, enter a formula that references your source currency column and multiplies it by the desired exchange rate. For example, if your source column is called USD value and you want to convert it to euros using an exchange rate of 0.92, enter USD value 0.92. Review the formula to make sure the column name and exchange rate are correct. Click Save Formula to apply it. Monday.com will automatically calculate the converted amount for every item in your board. If needed, open the formula column settings and rename the column to reflect the target currency such as EUR, amount or converted value. Whenever the values in your source column change, the formula column will update automatically. That's it. You've successfully set up a formula column to change currency in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.